Hey everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. In this episode, I'm going to cover two of the new AI browsers. One of them is from Perplexity, it's called Comet. The other one is ATLAS by OpenAI. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the same task for both of those browsers, and I'm going to test which one performs better. So stick around. All right, so in order to test those two browsers, what I did is I opened both of them on the same screen. On the left side, as you can see, we have ChatGPT Atlas, and on the right side, we have Comet by Perplexity. The task that I gave both of those browsers is the same, which is basically find me the cheapest direct flight to Thailand in the next month. Perplexity came up with an answer way quicker than chat. The chat is still ongoing. Yeah, it's still looking for the cheapest flight. It looks like it's in some kind of a loop, going back and forth in the table, looking for that flight. Perplexity wasn't quick as well, but came up with a solution faster. Now, let's have a look on the answers. So on the right side, we have a flight on October 24th. On the left side, we have a flight on the 3rd of November. Let's compare both of those. So this one is for $646. Let's change the currency as well here for dollars. Yeah, looks like this one is substantially cheaper. So yeah, in this test of checking a flight price, it looks like we have a clear winner, which is Perplexity, both in the amount of time it took it to give me an answer, and also the actual product that it gave. It's cheaper. It's almost $200 cheaper. Yeah, so this is for this test. I'm gonna play around with another type of test, which is going to be a bit more complex. I want to see how it does when we're asking it to actually design something using Figma. I think this can be a very interesting task to do. So yeah, hold on, I'm opening up Figma. Okay, so the task that I gave ChatGPT and Perplexity is to create a 3D box in Figma. As you can see, both of the browsers failed doing it. ChatGPT somehow got Figma blocked, tried to refresh the page a few times, didn't work. It created a 3D box using Python, which wasn't the task. Perplexity is still running. I think it's running for around 10 minutes or so. Yeah, it looks like both of those browsers can't really work directly with Figma. It might be related to me working with two windows open on the same screen. Nevertheless, it's a clear fail for both of those. The last test that I'm going to do is an HTML code directly in the browser. I'm going to let both of those browsers write some code in it, and we're going to see how it looks. Yeah, stick around. Okay, I'm hoping that this test is going to go smoother. Basically, I opened an HTML viewer, an online HTML viewer, and I asked, yeah, I see it's already going pretty well. So I asked both of the browsers to create a spinning 3D box. It looks like ChatGPT is kind of done. Let's see what's going on in Perplexity. You can use the HTML and CSS. These are sample code you can paste into your online viewer. For some reason, it doesn't do it by itself. Let's have a look on the final product. Yeah, it looks like both of those browsers created a working product. Let's make it a bit more difficult. Let's do so I'm asking it to create a replicate of the game Icy Tower, which is a classic one. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna stop the video and open it once we got something. Even though, yeah, I see Perplexity is already done. Refresh to restart. Nice. Doesn't work really well, but it's something. Let's see what we got here. Nice. So that actually kind of works better. So I would say in this test, ChatGPT wins, but not really sure if you can call it a win. Anyhow, yeah, it looks like both products are not quite there, but it's getting there. So yeah, in the next episode, I will try to play around with it more and see what other cool things I can create using AI browsers. Yeah, stay tuned. Thank you.